Hello everyone, myself Saptak Bhattacharya, and today I am presenting my project about Smart Field Survey and Inspection app, which I developed using React Native with Expo. The goal of the application is to help surveyors and inspectors collect and manage data efficiently using smartphone features. So, first of all, let me start with the dashboard. The app starts with a dashboard where users can see their profile, today survey count, quick action counts, and as well as the summary of the recent surveys. This gives an overview of all the survey activities. Now, let me take you forward with the create survey. So, this is the page where you can create your own surveys where user can input their important details such as their site name, client name, description, priorities, and date. I also added form validation to ensure that all fields are complete before submission. Like let me give a site name. For now I am giving sector 5. It's techno. Description for now I am giving is the survey scope area, and then I am setting my priority. Suppose it's an urgent, and I am giving today's date only, and then I am clicking on create survey. Okay, so as you can see that my survey has been created, and here you can see the created surveys are sector 5, client techno, and about the date and the description of the survey. And here you can see that the urgency tag, according to this, in the history whenever we will go and find anything, we will find it according to the filtration, whether the priority is low, medium, high, or urgent. So let me move forward with the camera. So if I click on the camera, you can see that here it will ask for the permission, and I'm just giving it the permission of the camera while using this app. Okay, gallery permission granted. Now I'm just going for the inspect app. So when I am clicking on the camera, you can see that uh, for now the timing I am using the Android Studio, so it's giving a virtual camera, means a virtual view, but in the application it is working perfectly. And whenever I am clicking on this, you can see that the picture has been clicked and stored in the preview memory. I am pressing OK, and then you can see that the picture is here. You can either save it to gallery or retake, or you can delete, otherwise it is saved. So now for the timing, let me show you some other things as well. So this third module about the camera, which uses the Expo Camera API. Basically user can capture picture and preview them with the view time, as well as retake or delete and receive information alert about deletion. A loading indicator is also shown while the camera while opening the camera. And moving forward, we have the location. So I'm just going on the drawer button and accessing the location. Here, while on the location, it will ask you for whether I'm accepting to convey my location or not. While using the app, I'm just giving it permission. I'm turning on this granting button, and you can see that the current GPS location of my accurate location is here. But the thing is that for now, as my in my laptop I have not granted the location, that's why it is giving me the this far away data. But whenever I'm opening the API APK, it is giving me the perfect date and time about the current latitude and longitude as well. And I can also use the refresh location as well as the copy location to copy that location, whether to convey it to any other person or not. Here I have used the Expo location app, location API. The app requests location permission and display the current latitude and longitude along with the GPS accuracy. Users can refresh the location and it directly copies to the clipboard. So moving forward, we have the contacts. So when clicking on the contacts, you can see that here no contacts are there, but whenever I will click on grant device contact access, it will just go with all the contacts I have. So for accessing the contacts, I'm just allowing this fellow and just clicking on OK. So you can see that here are all the accessible contacts as well about the contact section of that particular person. Here what I have used that the Expo Contact API, it supports search contacts as well as the total contacts and pulling and pull to refresh, copy phone numbers and display the placeholder if a contact has no number. So these are all the features in the contact that I have implemented. Then we have the clipboard section. While taking you forward to the clipboard section, you can see that the clipboard module uses the Expo Clipboard API to copy and about the survey details, contact number and location. Users can also paste, note and clear clipboard data when needed. And moving forward, survey preview. So the survey preview displays all the collections of informations about including the site details, photos, contacts, location and notes. Before submission, user can preview and edit the survey if necessary. Like here are all the details about the client, and moving forward you have that photo that I have implemented in and which I have taken in the camera section, and here are the assigned contacts as well as the GPS location. Here I will finalize and submit my survey. So the submit report, and here you can see that an alert message has been printed, survey submitted and survey report this have been successfully stored in the survey history. Clicking on OK or just preview history, you can see that here is the preview history. Model stores submitted survey in a searchable list, as you can see that, and users can search survey by filtering them by priority. According to the priority they can filter them and view details or delete record according to their needs. So here are all the details. Now only I've used one. So when I click on the view report, you can see that the report that has been created. If I want to delete it, I will just click on the delete button, and here one pop-up alert before deletion will come for the safety, and then when clicking on the delete, the survey will get removed. So this was all about my application, and here is one dark and white mode toggle button. As you can see, with the toggling you can see that the color changes, and dark to white theme and white to dark theme. For navigation I have used the Expo Router with bottom tabs and drawer tabs, and all the necessary informations whichever I wanted to show in the bottom tab are being here, and all the other things, means other features which couldn't be in the drawer tab in the tab section, I have put them in the drawer. And to provide a modern and user friendly experience, as well as the app is built using the reusable React Native components and hooks like useState and useEffect, along with Expo API such as camera, location, contacts and clipboard, as I mentioned earlier. And with that note, I want to thank you for listening. I would be happy to answer all of your questions, and thanks for watching.